If you dabble in programming, then I'm 100% sure you've heard about how people say you have to learn every single thing in tech, every single programming language, and every single concept in program. Nah, bro, they don't. They don't say that. They don't. For real, do they? Well, nonetheless, I'm here to bust that myth and tell you guys that you do not need to learn every single thing there is in programming. Even if you already know that, even if you've heard it before, I've heard it before, I'm telling you now, you don't need to learn everything in programming. You only need to learn the essential things to complete whatever task you set out to accomplish. So, over the coming weeks and over the next videos I'll roll out, I'm going to be breaking down various programming concepts. I'll break it down so that you know what are the essentials you need to learn. You don't need to go and learn every single thing about a programming language. You don't need to go and read a whole documentation about the programming language in order to become good at it. You mustn't be perfect. You just need to be good enough. Who said that? Yeah, I can't remember who said that, but then that's the thing. You don't need to be perfect. You just have to be good enough. So over the next coming videos, I'm going to be breaking down step by step, list by list, the exact essentials you need to learn in order to become good at your craft. So you won't want to miss this. If this is something you guys would like, let me know in the comments and if this video you like so that more people see it. Peace.